change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. We've just been for breakfast. We didn't film it, wasn't that spectacular. Seems they have a lot of problems there. So it was better than dinner last night, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But Lee had a bit of a rough stomach after dinner last night, so you didn't eat a great deal, did you?
No.
So I'm just going to go into the security office to see if Lee's rings have turned up. We're not holding out much hope, but then we've got to go down to Skegness, post a letter, and then we're just going to try and find something to do. We have been into resort safety, and unfortunately his rings haven't been found, which we know they have because we've been told, but they seem to have disappeared from being found at Splash Water World to go into the office, or from the office to wherever they go next. There's loads of disabled bays here. But yeah, we don't know where they've gone. We're not letting this drop because we know they were found. We were told the person who found them described them to the letter. So it's a case of just trying to find out where they've gone. And yes, I have blamed the staff, and I have said to them that, you know, maybe you've got a tea leaf on your team, because they don't just disappear. It just don't, you know. I just don't know. How can they say and describe the rings, and then all of a sudden they just disappear off the face of the earth? So we're just coming down to Skegness, and we're gonna maybe do some like arcades and bits and pieces, and then we'll go back to Butlin's a little bit later. Oh, Trawler's Catch is open. I didn't think it'd be open this time of year because of the season.
I think they're open.
So we're gonna try and find somewhere to park. It's busier than we thought it was.
Yeah.
71. Blue both the fours, 44. The red 17, 17. The white 78, 78. The red 1 and 5, 15. The white both the sixes, 66. The yellow 2 and 4, 24. The white 6 and 8, 68. Red 1 and 3, 30. Yellow 2 and 6, 26. Red on his own, lucky self. Yellow 4, 0, blind 40. Yellow 3 and 8, 38. White 8, 0, blind 80. Yellow both the threes, 33. Red on his own, number 4. White 6 on 5, 65, play 28.
It's later on in the day. We've got back to the apartment, found out that 3 of the lights bulbs are blown, so we're waiting for someone to come out and do that. I'm just going back to the apartment. I had to go up to try and buy some towels because the kids forgot to bring towels with them. I don't know what made them forget that, but they did. So I've just bought them a towel, £10 each in the shop. But luckily had a £35 resort voucher, so I managed to use that. Lee's still not feeling great. I've rung the doctors, tried to get his medication, so hopefully they can do another prescription and fax it over to a chemist over here. So the kids have gone swimming until dinner time, and then we'll meet them at the yacht club. But I'm just heading back and it's freezing. So this is where we're staying. It's called the Keys, I think it's called. But it's a nice area. It's pretty well kept. It's just so far out from everything. So this is the map of where we're staying. And we are in Gold Court, that one there. But as you can see, it's quite a big area. We are now off to dinner. We haven't really done much today other than been down to Skegness. I misplaced Dee's prescription and I've been pulling my house apart trying to figure out where it had gone, and I thought to myself, I don't know where it's gone, so I've had to phone the doctor and I've got to phone him back at 5 to see if I can get an emergency script sent over to Skegness, because without it he's experiencing withdrawal symptoms from his medication, because it's quite a strong painkiller. So I've got to ring them back. But I rang Boots only for them to tell me that I didn't pick it up. I feel so stupid. I literally feel so stupid. But at least I know where it was, and at least I know it wasn't my fault. They didn't give it to me, because being a controlled drug, obviously it was locked away. So whoever gave me the prescription didn't do the job properly, or just forgot. They're normally pretty good in there. But at least I know where it is now. So we're just going into the Skyline Pavilion. We're going to go for dinner. Show you what we get.
Okay, hands up guys, how many people have pressed the button to record and ended up taking a photo instead? Because that's what I've just done for about the last 3 seconds. So we're at the yacht club. We've come in, we're having something to eat. Haven't had dinner, if that's what you can call it.
It's a bit better tonight.
It's better tonight than what it was last night. We've got what was left of there.
Cottage pie. Let's get up a bit. Was gross, chewy, horrible.
Yeah.
And then underneath here, we've got turkey that was chewy, fish fingers that were very nice. Chips were nice.
So that was, obviously that's what we had so far. I apologise if I look rough. Louise has obviously already explained earlier about my medication and the looks of things. I'm not going to be getting it anytime soon. So
Our doctor still lives in the dark ages.
yeah, our doctor still lives in 1963 and doesn't know what an electronic prescription is. So it don't look like I'm going to be getting anything new. The kids have had. What did you have, Beth?
Well, at first I had a chicken korma.
But you had no chicken.
That had no chicken.
Yeah, a chickenless chicken korma.
A vegan chicken korma.
Yeah.
Screw that. Then I had some carbonara, which I polished that off.
Yeah, all that.
Empty plates, which is good. At least the kids are eating. I can't eat hardly anything. I managed to eat
And then 2 hot dogs.
sticky toffee. Yeah, sticky toffee pudding.
Which I'm annoyed.
That tastes like it's been washed.
It is red velvet cheesecake.
Is that white? It tastes like lemon. It tastes like it's been washed around in like lemon fresh washing up liquid.
But these are nice.
Obviously, the amount of them that Louise has got,
But the only decent thing they do.
and it is proper Angel Delight. Yeah. Kenzie's got them as well.
I've got a chocolate.
Did you have a chocolate one? What about you, Mads? How many did you have?
4.
4?
I had 2 strawberry,
And before anyone says anything, Kenzie has given enough insulin to cover all of his food.
Yeah.
He carbs 100 grams for buffet food, and that seems to keep him nice and healthy, nice and light level. It's all fine with being told
it's
that
hard.
diabetes tin.
It's hard for us anyway. What you got to remember, guys, is it's hard for us because there's no, with these type of diabetes, there's no set amounts. And because he's growing and now he's at that stage where he's becoming a teen, things are starting to.
He is a teen.
Yeah, but he's what?
Growing, yeah, he's growing.
He's only just been in as a teen. Yeah, he's like
He don't stop eating, does he?
he's getting bigger, let's put it that way. So of course that affects his sugar levels. So we're constantly having to, on his pump, you have to adjust it and tweak it here and there. So we seem like we're back on an even keel again. Until the next time, obviously, I have to mess about with his pump and tweak it all.
Team have told us he's allowed to eat whatever he wants.
Yeah, he can eat what he wants. He's just got a carb for it, and that's the bit. That's the difficult part. That is the bit that he seems to have an issue with, don't you?
No.
He likes to eat it, but he doesn't like to carb for it. Each to their own.
What is she doing?
She's on a phone. She's on the phone. If she's happy with it, then...
I'm calling Santa.
She's been on one all week.
You're calling who?
Santa.
You can't. Ain't December yet. Shut up. He's still locked in the reindeer shed, waiting for someone to let him out. So we're going to eat this. We're just finishing up. And I know where I'm going. I'm going back to the apartment.
Right, everyone. It's later on in the evening. Lee's been in bed pretty much since we got back from dinner, like he said he was going to. He's not feeling the greatest, bless him. I feel so guilty because I'm in charge of his tablets, but he says it's not my fault. You know, mistakes happen. But I'm a worrier, I'm an overthinker. I worry about these things. So yeah, I kind of feel bad that I've kind of left him without his most powerful painkiller. But he's right, it's just surprising how much you notice it when you haven't got it. Now, that's what helps keep him mobile and keep him moving. Without that, it's shown today that he just literally cannot do anything. But yeah, I feel bad, but I'm trying not to beat myself up about it. These mistakes happen. I think I feel more stupid than anything that they're actually at Boots waiting for him. And I was pulling the house apart looking for him, and I didn't even pick him up in the first place. So I don't know how I missed that, because I picked all these other ones up. But yeah, so Kenzie's in bed, Katie's in bed. Kenzie's got high blood sugars, so it's going to be a long night. Lee's in bed still. He's tossing and turning, can't get comfy. His temperature's up and down, but I think that's just normal withdrawal from prescription medicines, as they call it. I've had a shower, probably the best shower that I've ever seen in a Butlin's apartment. So powerful. So I've had a shower, washed my hair, and I'm going to go to bed. Madison's over there, drinking her milk. And then she'll go to bed at 10. But yeah, so it's been an okay day. We haven't done much, to be fair, but we're hoping to do a little bit more tomorrow. So for now, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Please like, comment and subscribe. We have 2.5 days left here, don't we? Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. We have 2.5 days left at Butlin's, and then we're home for 4 days, and then we go to Florida. So look out for those videos. Nervous about all that and everything, even though we've flown before. But I think there's just so much going on, and I'm just trying to do everything, and I'm overthinking things, worrying about things, and it's crazy. So we'll see you again in the next video, guys. Thank you all for watching. Welcome to our new subscribers as well, and hello to all our old subscribers that have been with us from the start. And we will see you again in the next video. And as always, don't forget to stay safe, stay happy. Bye, guys.